Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have square root of x plus square root of x divided by x is equals to 2, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Now we move towards the first method, and in the first method you see here in the numerator we have two same variable terms are added by each other. We know that when two variable terms are added by each other, we just add the coefficients of both of these terms. So it will be written as 2 times of square root of x is divided by x is equals to 2, and this equation is implies that here this x is divided by left hand side, we need to move this x to the right hand side, so it is multiplied by this 2 and it will becomes 2 times of square root of x is equals to 2 times of x. Now you see here both of these two terms involve 2, so here we divide both of the sides by 2. So when we divide both of the sides by 2, it will be written as this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we get here square root of x is equals to this 2 is cancelled out by this 2 and we get x only. So further in the next step, in order to find the values of x, we need to remove this square root sign from left hand side. In order to remove the square root sign, we just applying the squaring on both of the sides. So you see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here x is equals to this x, this will becomes x square. And in the next step we move this x to the right hand side, and it will be written as x square minus x is equals to 0. And further in the next step, you see here both of these terms involve x, so that we will take common x from here. So when we take common x from here, we get the remaining values are here we get this is x minus 1 is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 1 is equals to 0. So here you see that this is our first root of the given equation, and from here we get the value of x is equals to 1. This is our second root of the given equation. And now you see here from first method we will get here there are two roots of the given equation, and now here in the next steps we need to verify that is these two roots are solution of the given equation, or these two roots are the extraneous root. For this we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is square root of x plus square root of x divided by x is equals to 2. So this is the given question statement, and here in this side we will be verify x is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 1. So here first we verify x is equals to 0. For this we put this value of x is equal to 0 into the left hand side, and it will be written as square root of 0 plus square root of 0 divided by 0 is equals to 2. And now you see here we have this is square root of 0 becomes 0 plus 0 divided by 0 is equals to 2, and this will be written as 0 over 0 equals to 2. And we know that 0 over 0 is usually called that it is the indeterminate form. So if this is the indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that it is undefined form. So if this is undefined form, it means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, it means that the value of x is equal to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So if this is not satisfied our given question statement, so it means that x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So if this is the extraneous root, now here we need to focus into the second root of the given equation, and now we verify the second value of x. So now we substitute second value of x into the left hand side, and it will be written as square root of 1 plus square root of 1 divided by 1 is equals to 2 or not. This is the our claim, and we know that square root of 1 becomes 1 plus 1 divided by 1 is equals to 2, and this will be written as 2 is equals to 2. This shows that the value of x is equals to 1 is satisfied our given question statement. So x is equals to 1 be the solution set of the given equation. So we have, this is only one solution set of the given equation, and we have x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root. And now here in the next steps we again solve this problem for the second method, and in second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here the given question statement is square root of x plus square root of x divided by x is equals to 2. This is our second method, and in this method I can just give you another different approach to find the roots of this equation. So here first you see that these are the two same variable terms added by each other, so it will becomes 2 times of square root of x is divided by, this is our x, and you know that if you have any number a, so we write it as into the form of product of two square roots. Okay, so we write a as square root of a multiplied by square root of a. According to this rule, we write this x as square root of x multiplied by square root of x, and this is equals to 2. And further in the next step you see here this square root of x is cancelled out by this square root of x, and we get the remaining values are 2 divided by square root of x is equals to 2. And here we interchange these two values. We move this square root of x into the place of 2, and we move this 2 into the place of square root of x. So when we interchange these two values, it will becomes 2 divided by 2 is equals to square root of x. You see here this 2 is cancelled out by these 2, and we will get here square root of x is equals to 1. So here in order to find the values of x, we need to take the squaring on both of the sides in order to remove this square root sign from left hand side. So you see here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here the value of x is equals to 1 square is equals to 1. So this is the value of x which we get here into the second method, and you see here in second method we get just only one value of x, and in the first method you see here this value of x is already satisfied our given question statement. So it means that the solution set of this question is 1 only. Okay, so this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.